Quantitative reasoning for common entrance class made easy. Please pay attention and watch till the end.
You're welcome to another class on quantitative reasoning for common entrance examination. Now, this class has been put together for those who are preparing for their common entrance examinations into federal, state, and private secondary schools in Nigeria. In our previous videos, we've treated series of topics, and you'll do well to visit them. We'll be looking into another topic with some samples. And this sample here, we have three numbers. Now let's assume this number is missing. So how do we find this? The number at the top, you square it, that is 2 square, which is 2 times 2. 2 times 2 will give us what? 4. And then you divide by this number, which is 4 divided by 1. It will still give you 4, which is this number here. Now let's assume we are looking for this number. What we do is, remember, usually we square the number at the top, which is 4 square. That will give us 4 times 4. That is 16. Now divide by the number at the base, 16 divided by 8. That will give us 2, which is this number here. Now what if we're looking for the number at the top? What we do is we multiply these two numbers, which is 3 times 12 will give us 36. And then, since usually we find the square of these numbers, if we're looking for the number at the top, we'll find the square root of the product of these two numbers. So the square root of 36 will give us 6, and that is this number at the top. So with these samples, we can attempt all of these questions. Now, this value here is missing. So what do? We treat the question as in this sample. So we'll find the square of 7, which is 7 times 7. That will give us 49. And then divide by this value here. 49 divided by 1 will give us 49 still. So our answer here should be 49. Now the value here is missing. We treat the question as in this sample. So what we do, we square 8. 8 square will give us 8 times 8, which is 64. And then we divide by 16. 64 divided by 16, that will give us 4, because 16 times 4 is 64. So our answer here is 4. Now how do we find the value here? Remember, we multiply these two numbers and then we find the square root. So 25 times 1 will give us 25, and then the square root of 25 is what? Is 5. So the value here must be 5. Let's look at the next question. We have this value missing. So what we do is we find the square of 10. 10 square is 10 times 10, which will give us 100. And then we'll divide by this value. 100 divided by 100 will give us 1. So the number here must be 1. Now I'll leave number 5 and 6 for you to treat it as your homework. I need you to attempt the question and leave your answers in the comment section. I'll see you in our next class. Cheers.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and follow for more.